taking it. Swim underwater.
Huh?
Swim underwater for me. Oh, a long time.
Okay.
Now all the way this way.
Oh, that was real good.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Now go under and hold your breath as long as you can.
Okay, let's do it on a raft one time.
Okay. Mm.
Let's do it on the ladder now. Here I go. Okay, Mom?
Ready?
Okay.
Well, I think you should go down the slide some more on your belly and everything.
Let me get on my raft. You have to, like, fasten the wheel. Why can't get a movie camera away?
Because it would ruin it.
What about a toy one, a rubber one?
Well, if you had a toy one, it'd be okay. But this is the real one.
What about a rubber one?
Well, then you could play in the water.
With it?
Yeah.
I can put a toy.
Or get up there and go down.
But I can? Trying off my hands
Okay.
when I can touch it. It's okay.
Don't touch the land. Go down the slide. Gotta fix that bathing suit.
I get up to the top.
Okay.
Where do I go? Oh my God, please.
Went right into the raft that time.
Huh?
You went right into the raft.
I'm doing a raft.
Yep.
Maybe go underwater. Maybe. When I can have a rope, I can tie it right on. Put a post right here, and after I can tie it right on there, and after I can go right down. Okay, let's go.
Well, go on your belly like I showed you.
No, let me go on Papa's side. I don't want to put my
Well, I want to get it on film where your face goes underwater.
I will. When I do it first.
Okay.
When I sit down again.
Okay. Watch it!
Huh? Did you get on this?
Yeah, you got it on the camera.
And it's gonna walk.
I hope so.
A red light tail going. You might not find a picture of my butt.
I got one.
Yeah, that one.
I got the whole picture.
Got two of them because I put on my ladder like this.
Yep.
Okay, now. Oh, pedal.
That was good. I got it.
Did?
Yep, got it all on film.
But I went too fast on that. You see me go
I
down.
took it. Yeah, I got you all the way down.
You maybe I like that.
Uh-huh.
Why? How you do it?
Went zoom.
Film me on the bottom?
Yeah, right down underwater. Okay, you want me to stop?
Huh?
You want me to stop?
No way. Take a picture of a car.
No way. We don't want the sky.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. take a picture of your pole.
I'm at you, man. You see a kite too?
Yep. It's got the sky too.
Yeah! Let me take a picture of stuff now.
No, you can't touch it.
Balls right off.
No,
Huh?
you can't touch it. You're too wet.
Well, I'll put my towel around me. I'm trying to dry my hands. I have to dry my hands. These are my arms.
Don't make ugly faces. Hands.
Okay.
Too close. Too close. Farther back. Farther back. You're goofy.
Do it now. Hello. Some people do.
It's alright.
It's
It'll dry out.
gonna fall apart.
Nah.
Why is it?
I don't know. It's all tied together.
What happened?
I'm gonna get you.
How are you gonna get me?
Well,
I'm right in the middle. Oh, Papa.
that water's too cold.
No, now you go out here.
Don't let it out. Don't let it out.
Watch it, Papa.
Like, oh my watch.
Watch.
How do you get in this small pool?
I don't know.
How do you do it?
You want to sit down like this?
You only sit down. Yeah.
Sit down.
You only get down like this?
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is how we roll around. Wow.
A elbow.
No, man.
Okay, here we go.
What?
We're going under. We're sinking. Careful now. Don't do nothing silly. Careful.
Get him, man. Get him. How come you stand under so long?
What happened?
My beer makes me jump on ya.
She made you do it?
Yeah.
You come back here. I didn't do that. Go wash off. Go wash off.
She does in the pool.
Well, in my palm.
It's nice and cool in here, Mary Bea. You're really great. You're Mary Bea, yeah. You were jumping on top of me and she was taking pictures of the table.
No, I wasn't.
Oh! Oh! That's enough of that.
Okay. I'll run.
That's hard on Papa. Oh. You can do the shoulders, but don't do in the middle of the back.
Ow! Don't do that. Get a bite. What up?
Well, I was trying. I was just gonna rip it off. Gee, it's great. You haven't been in here yet?
Well, I've been wet from top of my head to the tip of my toes.
In here?
Not in the pool, no. Everywhere else.
Well, this is where it is.
Mark Kucha.
No swim pool tomorrow.
Why?
Papa's got to mow the lawn. Look at it. It's growing like somebody's watering it really good. And it's growing like weeds. Growing like it used to when my kids were little.
You gonna get out?
No, I'm not getting out. This is great in here.
I knew you was gonna say that.
Let's see you get down that slide one more time.
Okay, ready?
When the water's deep. What a moonshot.
Yep.
You mean on my tummy?
Yeah, with your face down.
Right, tummy. Face in the water. Terrific. Terrific. I like that one. We're just watering the world here.
You can't get me, Papa.
Oh, yes, I can, too.
Do it right now. Try to do it right this minute.
Tell her to turn that camera. Yeah, I got you. Have I got you or not?